Hi, this is Robert from Fusion. How do I put Fusion on my tablet, you ask? Well, that's very simple. What you do, first of all, is open up your web browser. All right, so let's go ahead and do it here. We're going to open up our Chrome web browser. Okay, and then what we're going to do is go to our URL section up here and just type in the website of Fusion, which is fusionptt.com. That's fusionptt.com. Make sure you spell it right, of course. All right, there you go. Once you get to the website, you're going to see the menu button, and you're going to click on the menu button. Here, you're going to see the download section, and then you're going to choose for what product it's for. Is it for an Android walkie-talkie, like an Enrico handheld, or is it for an Android tablet? So today I'm going to choose tablet, and I'm going to go ahead and download it anyway. All right. And once the file is downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and install it. Click on it. And of course, your security settings are going to say, well, how are you going to install this app? You hit settings and you allow, and now you hit install. And now the app is installed. You open it and you set all the permissions. I suggest that you set all permissions for this app. Do not restrict the app or hold the permissions back. Okay, as you see, I'm going to go through all my kind of settings. Now, if those settings don't pop up for you, then you can go into the application's info itself and enable those. Once you're here, you're going to enter in your programming information. Now you are all issued an ID number and password to use Fusion. So first you'll put your ID number in. Today my ID number is 95, and then I'm going to enter my password. This is going to prompt you to enter in the dealer password. The dealer password is always going to be 123456 and hit enter. Now I can modify this password, and I can also change the IP address. Our IP address is always going to be 63.141.255.223. Once you have that all programmed, you're going to hit the login button. All right. And if there's any additional settings to allow, you go ahead and allow, and you're now connected to your app and your tablet with the Fusion. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, just hit the blue button in the center. And if you want to make any modifications to your settings, go to the Me, Setup, and I really don't like the whole call recording saving, so I'm just going to shut that off. But some people like to see the map name, map intercom centered. So a couple different settings here that you can do. And your Fusion tablet is all set up. And you have options like GPS. You have member to member, as long as you know the other person's private ID number. And anybody in your group. And finally, your group section here. Touching the name of the current group will list out the rest of the groups that are available to you as well. So that's how you install the APK for Android on a tablet. Again, you can get the Fusion APK at fusionptt.com and then look under downloads. This is Rob, and thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Take care now.